Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever thought about playing Clash of Clans on your laptop? It truly opens up a whole new world for enjoying your favorite strategy game. A bigger screen means more detail, and using a mouse and keyboard can make managing your base and troops so much easier. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to get Clash of Clans running smoothly on your computer, even in 2025. Get ready for an enhanced gaming experience. The secret to playing mobile games like Clash of Clans on your computer lies with Android emulators. These clever programs essentially create a virtual Android phone right on your desktop, allowing you to install and run mobile apps just like you would on your smartphone. It's completely safe and sanctioned, giving you the best of both worlds. You get the large screen and powerful hardware of your laptop, combined with the familiarity of the Clash of Clans app. When it comes to choosing an emulator, you have some excellent options available. BlueStacks is probably the most well-known, famous for its user-friendly interface and strong performance. Then there's LD Player, which many find to be quite lightweight and fast, perfect for a smooth gaming session. Nox Player is another solid choice, offering great customization and compatibility. All three are reliable, so pick the one that feels right for you and your system. Once you've picked your preferred emulator, the installation process is super straightforward. First, simply download the emulator from its official website. That's always the safest bet. After downloading, run the installer file and follow the on-screen prompts, just like installing any other program. Finally, open the emulator, sign in with your Google account in the Play Store, and then search for Clash of Clans to download and play. You'll be raiding in no time. Playing Clash of Clans on your laptop offers several fantastic benefits. You'll likely enjoy smoother gameplay without worrying about your phone's battery life draining during long sessions. It also frees up your mobile device for other tasks, which is really convenient. Just remember to link your Clash of Clans account to Supercell ID for easy progress transfer between devices. Now go enjoy building your empire on the big screen, Commander.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.